Hi everybody, Chris Naum here in New York. I want to take a moment of your time to personally invite you to FDIC 2020 pre-conference on April 21st, 1:30 to 5:30 p.m. in the Convention Center, where I'll be presenting a fire officer's guide to today's buildings on fire, construction, and operations. This in-depth 4-hour session will talk about building construction, today's evolving Fireground, and the demands associated with structural firefighting in today's environment, with buildings from the heritage and legacy era all the way to today's modern building construction, mass timber, and the continuing evolving nature of hybrid construction and engineered structural systems. This program is geared for all levels and experiences, from the firefighter to the company officer to the commander in the street, from the experience levels of 1 year on the job or to 30 or 40. The whole aspect of building construction and understanding building performance, the predictability of building performance under fire condition, is imperative on today's Fireground. Errors and omissions are lessening. We have to have a heightened degree of understanding of construction, building anatomy, the relationship of fire within the compartment, and its impact and influence on tactics, decision making, risk, and operational deployment and safety of our companies and personnel in the conduct of our operations to support the mission of providing service to our civilians and the population and the public that we serve. Our program will evolve around the various aspects of structural anatomy, building construction. We'll talk about era and vintage of construction. We'll talk about its influence on risk and operational decision-making processes. We'll talk about the first arriving considerations dealing with construction, tactics, and safety considerations. We'll talk about the concept of tactical edge and quantum tactics, dealing with reading the Fireground, reading the building, reading the fire and fire compartment, and reading the company, which are fundamental to operational deployments on today's Fireground. So take some time out of your busy schedule at FDIC 2020. Schedule yourself to take the pre-conference on April 21st, 1:30 to 5:30 p.m. We'll be talking about building construction, operations, and decision-making process. We'll see you at FDIC 2020 and in the streets of Indianapolis in April 2020. Look forward to seeing you in our class. Look forward to seeing you in the streets. Look forward to seeing you in the hallways at FDIC 2020. Thank you.